Okay, now that we've developed the different components of being able to set up by inserting the money, randomly choosing fruit, and now calculate winnings, you want to be able to play around with the game. So what's going to happen with this is that we first got to check that they've got enough money to keep playing. So if they've got enough money to play the game, take 50 cents away from them, and then after the game's played, change their winnings. And we're going to create a new method for this. It's going to be called play single round, and it will follow these basic processes as just outlined. So I've just got some comments here to outline what we're going to do. Check if the player's got enough balance to play around, play the round, pay for it, select the random fruit, which we've already written, calculate the winnings, and then update the balance. So let's have a go at doing that now. So we're going to go down to the bottom and make another function. So play around with the game, and we're going to be public void, we don't want to return any answer. So we're going to give it a description, play a single round. Now, what our steps are. Check the balance. If the balance is okay to play this round. If not, we're going to end. So if the balance is okay, we're going to go and do something different, which in this case will be select the fruit and then calculate the winnings. And finally, update the balance, and we're going to display winnings and the balance with appropriate messages. So we've already got a variable for the balance, so we're just going to jump straight into this part here. If the balance is greater than or equal to 50 cents, play the round. And I'm going to move the code for what we want to do for playing the round into here. And if not, we're going to end. So we don't actually really need to do anything at this point, because if they haven't got enough money, we're just going to jump straight to whatever happens after the round has been finished. So select fruit, string fruit, tell it to select the fruit. Note this code is going to be fairly similar to what we actually run up at this, but just because we've already created the program, it only works when it's running, we're going to modify here. So let's jump back down. So I want to select the fruit. Now I want to calculate the winnings. How much is 1? And we're going to run the calculate winnings function and pass it that chosen fruit. Update the balance. Becomes balance plus how much we won. Now, when the game runs, I should actually take away the balance of how much the game was played. I could do it down at this point, but I'm going to just do it here. So remove amount for playing the game. Okay. Now we end up at this point, so we want to display the winnings and the balance. So we're going to create a nice message. There's going to be a few parts here, so I'm just going to make a variable of type string for message. And what you got, and then let's list the fruit. And how much they won, and we're just going to write down that variable. And then what their balance is. So there's a lot of different little steps of just adding things on here. And then I'm just going to print that out. Okay, so I've got that all done. Now I need to go back to my main method and actually run this. So I'm going to take out all that existing code that I was using for testing, and I'm going to do p.play single round. And let's just start that and see what happens. Okay, at the moment nothing. So we're testing. I'm going to say the program didn't run. So I can take a screenshot of that. Basically say I wanted to play a single round. Let's go into my Word document. Get my testing for updating the balance. I'm going to say game didn't run. Test data, none. And I expected the game to play. Now, I need to go and work out what's actually gone on here. So let's stop this, have a look at my code. What I can notice is I haven't actually set the balance to start with. So let's run the set balance function. Let's try it again. Okay, so I'm going to put in a balance. Yes, that was correct. And now it seems to be working. So by adding that bit of code in, we've now got a working solution. So I played the game and it passed. So I've now done my testing, or at least some of my testing for that single round. Now I need to work out how to get it to loop so we can play more than once.